All right, now we're going to focus on setting up your timer settings on the auto. All right, so it's pretty simple. We go into our screen, you see the Livewell settings. Hit the button, hit auto. All right, and I'm simply looking real quick for my research timers. I want to make sure they're on too, because I'm looking at automated mode, setting it up to how I want it. All right, so if you look, you've got recirc off duration. It's set on 1 minute. Recirc on is 10 minutes. What that means is when the Livewell fills up, float switch kicks, the recircs will not kick on until 1 minute has cleared. All right, then it'll run for 10 minutes, then it'll be off for 1 minute. All right, during the summertime and stuff, I personally like turning that down to 0, so when it fills up, float switch kicks, the recircs will instantly start running. It's very important that you go through your settings, whether you're a first-time buyer or the dealer, sales guy, dealer, training, that new owner on this, that they set it up. It's super simple, it just takes a few minutes, but understand that the recirc timers, always, it counts the off duration first, simply because you pumped in new water, fresh oxygen, and everything is in that water on that first fill, and then, then it'll go into the on settings. But be sure, check your recirc timers. That's very important. If you're in doubt and have a question about it, simply turn it to 0 and let it run.